Hello friends, so welcome back to another informative video of semiconductor physics. So today in this video I'm going to talk about the diffusion current and the drift current. So what is the concept of diffusion and drift current and detailed manner I'm going to talk in this video. So let's start the video without wasting much time. So first of all, let's see what is the concept of diffusion current. So diffusion current is a current in a semiconductor caused by the diffusion of charge carriers. The charge carriers means holes or electrons. Okay, so this current is due to the diffusion of charge carriers from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. That means the diffusion is only possible if there is a non-uniform doping or non-uniform concentration gradient. So what does it mean? The concentration gradient is nothing but that is the change in concentration of charge per unit distance. Okay, so this is the concept of concentration gradient. Okay, so this is all about the concept of diffusion current in the semiconductor. Now let's talk about what is the concept behind the drift current. So drift current is the electric current caused by the particles getting pulled by an electric field. Okay, this means the current in a semiconductor due to externally applied electric field is called as a drift current. So this is the concept, a simple concept of drift current. So it's all about the drift and diffusion current in the semiconductor physics.